Have you ever considered fasting? While it may seem like a difficult task, fasting has many health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. One of the main benefits of fasting is weight loss. By abstaining from food and drink for a certain period of time, your body starts to use stored. Fasting has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. Fasting can also help reduce inflammation in the body, which can prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. In addition, fasting has been linked to improved brain function and cognitive performance, reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. So if you're looking to improve your overall health and well-being, consider incorporating fasting into your lifestyle. As always, consult with your doctor before starting any new diet or fasting regimen. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates and information.